Welcome to the Money Whisperer. Today, we're diving into wealth building for young adults. As you start this exciting phase, it's crucial to establish a solid financial foundation. In this episode, we'll explore strategies to build and manage your wealth effectively. From budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning, we've got you covered. Whether you're just starting your career, paying off loans, or dreaming of financial independence, this guide is for young adults like you. Together, we'll demystify personal finance and equip you with the knowledge to make informed money decisions. Get ready to take control of your financial future. Let's unlock the secrets of building wealth as young adults. Invaluable insights and actionable steps await. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, start budgeting early. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to financial freedom. Use apps, spreadsheets, or good old pen and paper to track your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas to cut back on and free up cash for saving and investing. Tip number 2, pay yourself first by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to a dedicated savings account. Even small amounts add up over time. Treat this like a non-negotiable monthly expense. You'll hardly miss the money, but your future self will thank you. Tip number 3, avoid the debt trap by being smart with credit. Credit cards can be useful tools when used responsibly, but runaway interest can derail your wealth-building efforts. Always pay off balances in full each month if possible. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial freedom? Join our faceless community at the Money Whisperer, where captivating content speaks louder than faces. Smash that subscribe button to embark on a journey through the world of personal finance. Together, we'll explore money management strategies, wealth-building tips, and practical advice tailored for every stage of life. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your relationship with money. Subscribe now, and let's venture into a future of financial confidence and prosperity. Let's continue now. Tip number 4, take advantage of your employer's retirement plan if offered. Compound interest is your friend when it comes to long-term investing. Contributing even a small percentage of your paycheck can go a long way, thanks to the magic of compounding over decades. Tip number 5, invest early and often in diversified long-term investments like index funds. Time in the market beats timing the market, so the earlier you start, the better. Don't try to outsmart the market. Keep investments simple and stay the course. Tip number 6, build an emergency fund before investing for the long term. Experts recommend saving 3-6 months' worth of living expenses for unexpected costs like medical bills or job loss. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and prevents going into debt. Tip number 7, ask for guidance if you need it. Managing finances can be confusing, so don't be afraid to consult professionals like financial advisors or take educational courses. A little knowledge can pay huge dividends when it comes to your financial future. That covers our top 7 tips for young adults looking to build lasting wealth. Remember, the key is to start early, live below your means, and let compound interest work its magic over time. I can't thank you enough for joining me on this journey into the world of personal finance. Building wealth takes patience and discipline, but the payoff of financial freedom is worth it. Subscribe to the Money Whisperer for more invaluable money wisdom. I'll be back soon with fresh insights to guide you towards prosperity. Until next time, keep chasing those financial dreams. This is your Money Whisperer, signing off.